Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I've got another gist for you, and this time around is about veteran Nollywood actor Funsho Adeolu. Is in the news, and this time around is a good one, yes, because he's doing a mother burial ceremony. So he's in the news for the good reason. It was I don't need to tell you that it's a star-studded ceremony at as Funsho Adeolu buries his mom. So, and Adewale Ayuba, Fuji Rock Master. Did I call him Fuji Rock Master? Yes. He was there to thrill the audience, to thrill the guests, to do what he knows how to do best, that is singing. So he was there to sing a good song for the guests at the event, and we pray for Funsho Adeolu that may his mother so rest in perfect peace. Omori magbeyin gbogbo wa. Eku nowo. That's it about Funsho Adeolu.